No, pwede ka pa din palang mag-tumbling-tumbling dito, sir. Hi, future homeowners! Welcome back again to our virtual house tour. So for today's vlog, again, yung pinaka-point of reference natin ay lagi dito sa may SM City, Pampanga. So this is the landmark of Pampanga kasi. So again, SM Pampanga is one of the longest mall here in the Philippines. Ayan. So ngayon, another developer yung i-visit natin, and that is Solana Casa Real. So, tuloy-tuloy lang tayo. We will just going to straight ahead. Kasi hindi tayo dadaan ngayon sa NLEX, but rather dito sa may MacArthur Highway, or they call it the OG Road, Olongapo Gapan Road. So, dire-diretsuhin lang natin to. And the good thing sa pupuntahan natin is along the highway lang din siya. Ayan. Kasi very strategic yung location niya. And mind you, for this developer, meron tayong commercial area sa mismong subdivision. Kalabas mo ng subdivision, there will be a commercial establishment na ginawa ng mismong developer, and which will be showing you around later. So, let's go! Ayan. So, tignan nyo naman guys, yung Solana Casa Real, no? If you will notice, ang daming mga, yan, naka-landscape na, tapos meron pa siyang church, own church. So, ito yung rotonda. So, generous din naman when it comes sa open space, yung Solana Casa Real. And of course, the Solana Zaragoza nga ngayon, which is located in Angeles. So, later on, we'll be showing you around. I'm so excited to show you yung mga model units na pwede nyong pagpilian kasi we have various or a lot of model units that you could choose from depending on your budget and depending on your taste and preferences. So, tara! So, ayan. Pansinin nyo, no? Napaka-decente ng subdivision. Na-maintain talaga nila yung ganda, no, ng community, and also mapapansin nyo sa mga bahay ang daming greeneries at mga plantito-plantita dito, no. Ayan, no, ganda. May mga parang papine tree pa to na bahay. Tapos you could also build your fence naman dito. Napansin nyo, yung ibang mga unit owners, pina-improve naman nila. So, possible naman yun. Hi, future homeowners! Welcome back again to our YouTube channel here at Virtual House Tour. So, for today's vlog, I'm here with
Sir Bradley.
Sir Bradley. So, nandito tayo ngayon sa Solana Casa Real. So, we'll be showing you around sa mga model units na pagpipilian nyo. And when it comes sa location, sir, by the way, saan ba located si Solana?
Actually, Solana Casa Real is located along the Jose Santos Avenue, which is very accessible siya when it comes to the malls, to the restaurants, and even other kailangan ni client. So, we are located at Barangay Cabalansian / Macabakle, Bacolor, Pampanga.
Yes, and I believe si Solana, meron din niyang own na commercial sa labas,
yes,
no, sir?
The Solana Plaza po, na meron siyang like mga establishment ni Robinsons, ni Handyman, and even other restaurants, banks, pharmacies, salons, and whatsoever.
Yes. And also, not just dito sa nabanggit nyo, no, technically sa Bacolor siya, pero malapit lang siya sa San Fernando proper. Pero si Solana, by the way, meron din siyang project in Angeles, which is Solana Zaragoza.
And also yung ano namin, affordable namin, the Sunshine.
Yes. So, meron din siyang affordable din naman. So, for today's vlog, dalawa, parang yung model units nila sa Solana Zaragoza is somehow similar with Solana Casa Real. So, huwag kayong papalito doon. So, for Solana Casa Real, located siya sa Cabalanchian, Bacolor. And then, for the Solana Zaragoza, sa Angeles naman. So, for this one, again, we're excited to show you around sa mga model units natin. At huwag kayong papalito kasi medyo madami sila. Okay? So, let's begin with Alexandra.
So,
Sir.
Alexandra model is 182 square meters, the minimum lot area. And yung floor area niya is 187 square meters. So, included na po doon yung kanyang 2 carport po. So, our carport is located on the left wing ng bahay.
So, dito siya, no?
Yes,
dito.
sir. So, yan. So, 2 carport na siya. Before kasi, sir, is 1 carport lang si Alexandra. Pero due to some cases na gusto nila yung mas malaking carport dahil kasi ngayon, ang dami nang kumukuha ng mga sasakyan. So, we provide 2 carports sa mga client.
And I believe for the Solana mga project, single detached sila. So, you have all the setbacks sa ano?
Yes po. We have the minimum, actually the maximum na 1.5 meters.
1.5.
So, the bigger the lot, the bigger yung nagiging setback.
Kasi I believe, kung napansin namin dito sa community, ang dami din ng mga nagpa-garden, no? Pwede ka magpa-garden dyan.
Actually, dito sa harap, sir, ito sa kanya pa din yan. So, kung gusto niya pa-landscape and fence, after the turnover, we'll do for that one.
Yes. So, this Alexandra, ganito yung facade niya.
Yes po. Actually, our Casa Real is a Spanish-style houses tayo dyan. Kaya kung mapapansin mo, sir, marami silang mga bricks.
Okay.
So, yun yung every subdivision namin, may mga everything kami dyan. So, for this one, kung mapapansin mo, puno siya ng mga bricks. Pero na totally na pinuno namin.
Yung tama lang.
Yes.
And looks good naman yung design. And we're excited to show you what inside. Ganito kalaki yung 187 floor area. Dito, yung pinaka-layout niya is, yun nga, living area, dining, dito na, sir.
Yes, then meron tayong sliding doors dito, sir, sa bandang carport.
Okay. So, perfect siya kapag, sir, pag nag-park ka na dito, and then
huwag ka na dadaan sa main door.
Di ka na dadaan sa main door. Yung mga pinag-grocery mo, no?
Pwede ka na yan.
Diretso ka na dito. Okay. And then, for this one, sir, you have the clean kitchen.
Yes po. Actually, the inclusion on the kitchen is the stovetop and the range po. So, ini-install na namin yan before the turnover. And also, the cabinets are for free na din.
So, part of the deliverables, yan.
Yes
sir.
po.
Okay.
Sige, so, dyan sa kitchen natin. And on the laundry area, so meron tayong provided na location for the laundry. And on the back part of the house, this will be your service area. So, nasa end tayo ng property line. So, naka-firewall tayo, pero the rest on the back.
Kasi sir, mostly talaga namang in-house tour namin, meron talagang provision for dirty kitchen. Knowing that Filipino are like really, loves cooking, and yun, very particular sila sa, sir, service or sa dirty kitchen kasi ayaw din nila nangangamoy pag nagluluto.
Mahilig. Tapos meron din tayo dyan setback na 1.5 meters. So usually yung laki niyan is up until the poste po.
Okay. This is the property line or the boundary.
That's 1.5 meters.
Malaki pa din, sir. Marami ka pang magagawa dito, sir.
Yes po, actually. So on the ground floor plan ni Alexandra, meron tayong common toilet and bathroom, sir. So lahat ng nasa banyo is already included na after the turnover po. And you have your bedroom number 1, which is ito provided tayo usually sa mga matatanda or yung ayaw na umakyat. So, mas malaki naman po.
Or yung iba kasi ginagawa naman nila ng office setup na.
Yes po. No? Parang yung mga work from home.
Work from home, yes.
So, yung kailangan nila ng office, pwede natin i-cater ito sa.
So, ganun pala siya for the ground floor. So, let's move forward, sir, sa second floor.
Okay, sige, sir. So, on the second floor, sir, meron tayong family area dyan, which is may access siya on the balcony ng bahay natin, sir.
Okay.
So, bukod kay family area, the master's bedroom din po, meron din siyang access sa balcony. Kasi medyo mahaba itong balcony niya, sir.
Okay. And then, when it comes sa balcony niya, hanggang dun sa master's bedroom.
Yes, sir. Ito siya, sir. Meron tayong sliding door.
You have the access. Ganito ka laki yung balcony niya, no?
Yes, sir.
So, pwede kang mag-coffee dito, ganyan, no? During the morning, no?
Yes, usually yun yung gusto nila, sir, yung balcony.
So, dito naman tayo sa master's bedroom. Yun nga, which is interconnected siya with the balcony dun sa family area, no, sir? Ayan.
So dito sir, pag turnover natin, free na tong built-in cabinet.
Okay.
And then, bukod ba dito, meron siyang sariling toilet and
Home
bathroom.
toilet and bathroom.
Yes. Para at least, privacy part na ng mga...
So, dito sa master's bedroom, pansin ko lang, sir, dito sa, sa partition niya, siya, concrete. Kasi,
Concretized.
normally, yung mga ibang houses kasi, hardly flex yung nila, diba? So, this only proves na premium and quality, not just the design, but not just the location, but as well as the quality of the house. Tingnan niyo, sir.
Actually, all our model houses po, even yung mga iba, talagang concrete yung natin. So, division to every part of the house.
Siyempre, since si master's bedroom, meron siyang home toilet and bathroom. Meron din naman for the common toilet and bathroom on the second floor. Para at least hindi ka na nga din bababa kapag gusto mong mag-CR or
So, that's the other rooms po na medyo maluwag talaga sa...
Oo, maluwag. Knowing naman kasi, sir, having a bigger floor area, no? So, especially for the family na malaki din, no? So,
yes po. Actually, sir, included na din yung mga saksakan ng aircon natin dyan, yung mga outlet.
May provision na, no, sir?
Yes po. So, meron na tayo naka-provide dyan.
Yan. Okay, so this is the pang-fourth bedroom. So again, just to have a recap, we have the room for the ground floor and 3 bedrooms on the second floor.
Yes po.
So let's go for our next model unit. We have the Marigold. So ka-level niya lang ng konti si Olivia because this one comes with a minimum plot area of 160 square meter.
For the 1 carport, sir. But for the 2 carport, it's 182.
182, similar.
Yes.
So, it depends on the client kung ano yung mag-gusto nila, no? If they opt to choose 1 or 2 carport. And for the floor area, sir?
Nasa 152 square meter.
Similar sila, no? Okay. So, comment down below kung anong mas mapipili nyo. It's the Marigold or the Olivia.
So, ito yung carport nyo. Kung mapapansin mo, lahat ng carport namin, meron na silang mga room.
Oo nga. Para naman at least, hindi na din hassle sa mga clients.
Additional expense.
Oo nga. Ayan.
So, dito, sir, meron tayo dyan pa rin space for future extension ng kanilang parang dirty kitchen or mga kitchen nila. So, meron tayo dito 1.5 liters. And dito, mas malaki siya because andito yung carport ko.
Oh, I see. Ayan. Sige, sir. And so, pansin ko halos pare-pareho lang yung mga sir, yung sa exterior, no, to carpet.
Yes.
But nagkakatalo talaga when it comes to their sir,
Floor plan.
Floor plan. Ayan. Ayan. So, this will be the layout for the Marigold. Ayan.
So, between the two actually, sir, mas parang gusto nila si Marigold.
Marigold.
Kasi kung pagdating dito, you have the living and the dining. And you have another table. Or usually, upon turnover, yung ginagawa nila dito sa island counter.
Oh, I see.
So, parang mas perfect nila. And you have the sliding door po on the back.
Instead of kanina, nasa gilid, nasa side. But for this one,
nasa likod siya.
Likod yung niya. Ayan. So, pansin natin, no? Talagang nagpa-garden yung sa likod, no, sir?
Oo, mabudget yan, sir. Actually, pwede nilang gawin yan upon turnover ni client.
Yan, pwedeng mag-garden na ganyan. So, at least you have some inspiration sa kapitbahay na.
May free tayong stove top and ratio na cabinets. And bukod kay main kitchen, meron tayo dito service area. Which is, meron siyang laundry area din po, sir. So, this one is an additional furnitures kay client. So,
may hagdan din siya ako, sir.
Oo, usually tinatawag nila itong maid's quarter. But the only qualification pag kukuha ka ng kasambahay, ganitong size, sir. Pero yung iba, kino-convert na lang nila to parang pantry or
pantry, oo. So, this one is your access dun sa kanina, no, sir?
Ito pa rin yung space kanina na malaki.
Oh, I see. Ayan, let's go to the second floor. super excited talaga ako umakyat, no? Pero for on the ground floor, let me show you, meron din siyang common toilet and bathroom din. So again, for our Olivia and Marigold, wala lang silang room sa ilalim. Yes, okay. Because this one is 3 bedrooms. Tara, let's go naman sa taas. Since you've witnessed and yung difference between the two, when it comes din na naman sa price, sir, how much, sir?
So usually, sir, nag-range lang si Olivia and Marigold ng 6.3 million.
As of this moment's video recording, no? Because way back before, syempre, iba yung prices, no? So, today is already April 2024 kasi the value of real estate here in the Philippines is always increasing naman, no? So, as of today, videos recording yan. Diba, sir? So, actually, when it comes sa mga payment terms, similar.
Similar din sila.
Similar.
So, 20% will be the down payment, payable siya ng 6 to 8 months, and then the remaining can be loaned through in-house bank and pag-keeping. Okay, so again, pili na lang kayo. And then, for a comprehensive discussion, feel free to message us with this number and we're more than happy to help you always. And before we move forward to the 5th one, so tara, pasyalan din natin, sir. Which is Miranda. So, it's also similar with Alexandra na 182 square meter of lot area and 187 din na floor area, no, sir. But the difference, syempre, clients has their own or have their own preferences and taste, no. So for this one, sa exterior niya, magkaiba lang. Yes.
Kasi yung carport niya, sir, ayan.
Nasa harap siya,
nasa
sir.
Harap.
Unlike, kasi ang nagiging ano lang ni Alexandra, ito kasi, sir, ang ganda niya. Like, kung aalis man yung isang sasakyan, no need for the adjustment.
Yes, correct.
Natin. And parang kung titignan mo, mas maluwang tignan yung carport niya.
Tama.
Actually,
so, 2 carports din, no, sir?
Yes po. And also, we maintain the 1.5 meters na setback.
Setback. Oo. Since knowing single, detached pa din sila.
Yes po. Actually, sir, itong 2 carport na to, nagiging 3 carport siya. Kasi we have the adjustment of the itong mga foundation ng carport. Sinagad na namin siya sa property line para nadidiretso yung sasakyan.
Yung isa pa, if
Yes,
ever, no? I see.
Kaya minsan, nagiging 3 carport.
Lalo na kung, let's say, mga Wigo or mga sedan lang din yung sasakyan nila. So, kasya pa din.
Yes po.
Maluwag din, sir.
Maluwag din po yan, sir.
And tara. So, iba yung layout niya with Alexandra. But again, similar with floor area and lot area, no? But for this one, yun, you have your living area pagpasok mo din. Pero, sir, naka-separate yung dining area and kitchen niya, no?
Yes po. Tapos ito, sir, meron din siyang bar counter.
Okay. Ito, sir, kasama.
Hindi
na kasama to.
Baka mas maganda pa yung kay client.
Hindi na kasama.
So usually, yung ating kitchen dito is a U-type. So parang usually may ikutan nila yan, sir. Tapos bukod dyan sa pinaka parang formal kitchen, meron tayong service area na kagawa dito, sir.
But sir, gusto ko lang din i-highlight to, sir. Every unit comes with
the stove top and the range. So ini-install na namin yan before the turnover po. Kasi chine-check din yan during the turnover.
Part of parang freebies na din sa mga clients, no, sir?
Yes po. So here on the back part, sir, will be your service area. So ito, sir, nakasagad na tayo sa property line. But on the other side, open po yan.
Not unlike yung kanina, sir, wala pa siyang bubong. But for this one, naka-enclose na din siya, sir. And then, meron tayong back door dito, sir. Like, if, kunwari, magpapa-extend kayo dito, sir, half of the property ang pwede nyo ipa-firewall, sir. I see. So, at least meron kang access. And also, pansin ko din, meron din siyang sliding door. Owing to your dining na din. I see. Tara, punta naman tayo sa second floor. But before pala tayo pumunta ng second floor, silipin din natin, meron din siyang bedroom sa ilalim. So, ayan. Perfect talaga siya.
Yes,
sa mga,
actually, sir.
Sa mga, may mga elderly or mga senior citizen. No? So,
and yung mga nag-office din.
So, similar with Alexandra. 4 bedrooms din.
Yes.
And how many toilet and bathroom? 3 din.
So, dalawang common, isa sa master's.
Okay. Tara, punta na tayo. Excited lang ako going to the second floor. sir. As we move forward dito sa sa second floor,
Mhm.
sir, I believe sa sa flooring din, buhos or
Yes,
concrete
sir.
din.
Yes
Hindi
po.
lang siya parang mga wood or
Oo,
buhos
sir.
din
Buhos
talaga.
tayo dyan, sir. So, transparent naman kami kay client. Even during the construction, nag-view niya naman.
And ganito na din yung deliverables
Yes,
niya,
that's
sir.
laminated flooring po. Nakasali na din po yan, sir.
And parang may dudungawan ka lang na
Yes,
dito
sir.
for your parang
This is what they call parang false balcony yan, sir.
okay.
Pero kung mapapansin mo, sir, malalaki yung mga bintana namin.
Okay.
Yan. So, pwede nila lagyan ng mga plant box dito.
Plant boxes lang. Pero hindi siya kamukha ni Alexandra
Na mahaba
yung balcony niya. Ayan. Pero pwede na din to, sir, for like yung service area or parang family area
Opo.
dito, no, sir?
Kasi sobrang malaki yung... Ito yung pinakamalaki naming family area.
Nice.
So, ito yung nagiging parang point of selling ni Miranda.
Okay. Sige, sir. Pero right beside with the family area, nandito na din yung
Yung master's
bedroom niya. But for this one, for the master's bedroom, meron naman siyang mini balcony.
Yes.
Okay. I see. Hindi lang siya wrap around katulad ni Alexandra, no?
Yes po. Parang for the magstay sa master's bedroom, magkakaroon lang sila para mga coffee table.
Oo nga. Pwede na, sir.
Mhm.
And then, napansin ko, sa kapitbahay natin, sir, may solar panel din
Yes,
sila, no?
po.
So, allowed naman dito to install their
Actually,
mga
allowed
solar.
lang sila, sir, but they need to seek the approval of the property management, lalo na doon sa bigat
Okay.
na hanggang maximum na kayang dalhin ng roof nila. Sir.
Alright. Pero hindi yan included.
Ay, hindi, sir.
Hindi yan included.
Baka hanapin nila.
Speaking of inclusion, I believe itong mga mga
Cabinet.
built-in,
Free.
that's
Yes, sir.
for free and included naman.
Yes,
Except
po.
yung solar panel.
Yes, sir.
Hindi lang yun kasama. And then, for the master's bedroom, again, it comes with own toilet and bathroom.
Yes,
na
po.
din. Sir, as we move forward, for the, on the second floor, no, di bali pang tatlo at
Apat na.
So, ito yung pangatlo, no, sir.
Yeah, sir. So, malaki din yung kwarto niya, sir. Tapos
Talagang,
meron
ano-
ng mga outlet ng aircon.
And then, hindi talaga muna parang pinaka-full dressed up, no? Para
Yes,
at least
po.
makita how spacious yung loob, no,
Yes,
sir? Kasi it's on the discretion of the client.
po.
Paano nyo i-improve. And dito, sir,
Yung common.
common
Actually,
toilet
sir,
and bathroom.
si Miranda lang yung natatangin namin model na meron siyang shower enclosure on the common.
Ayan.
So, included na din to.
Yung sa shower
Yes,
enclosure. I
during
see.
the turnover.
Okay naman pala siya, sir.
Mas malaki din.
Malaki nga. Let's go naman to the last but not the least, no? Na bedroom. Ito yung, sir,
Yan yung last room.
last room. Okay na din siya, sir. And spacious lahat ng mga...
Yes po.
Kasi
actually.
normally yung mga ibang in-house tour din namin, yung tamang sukat lang. But for Solana, talagang very
Malaki.
spacious.
Parang kinikater niya talaga mga big families.
families. Oo.
Kasi tayo, mahilig tayo dyan eh.
Oo, totoo. Knowing the Filipino culture din.
Yes po.
Ayan. Siyempre, sir, yung mga iba ding clients natin, knowing the prices of each unit, no, sir? Just to give them an idea, so how much would be their total contract price for the Miranda and Alexandra? Since they do have almost similar
Yes
area
po.
nila.
Actually, they have the same total contract price of 7.2 million
Mm.
pesos po. So, nakay-client niya kung anong gusto niya, kung anong preferred na model na gustong kunin. Pero
I see.
usually, yung Miranda yung mas preferred unit ng mga client.
Okay. But when it comes sa payment terms, sir?
For the payment term. So, usually, yun yung pinaka-concern ng mga
Yes.
client natin. So, hindi naman babayaran buo ni client yung 7.2. So, our policy will be that 20% will be the down payment. Po. But before the down payment, you need to pay the reservation fee.
Of how much? 50,000?
50,000 po. Pero yung 50,000, maliless na yan sa down payment natin, doon sa total down payment. And then the remaining will be divided into 6 to 8 months po.
Okay.
That's zero interest.
0% 4% interest.
Yes po.
Okay. And then after that, sir, what are the available payment options naman for the 2 big units that we have
Okay.
here?
Actually, we have 3 financing. The
Mm-mm.
in-house, the bank, and the Pag-ibig
So
financing
even
po.
Pag-ibig pwede dito.
Yes po, actually. Kami din naman yung magpa-process din po doon para medyo less na hassle sa client po.
Oh, I see. So, ayun, when it comes sa sir, turnover naman, sir.
For the turnover, sir, usually our policy kasi we will construct the house after the full down payment. So, we parang humihingi lang kami ng 10 months for the whole construction then. And then, before the turnover, the architects and the engineer of our company will check the house po kung ready na siya for the turnover. And then, the client will apply for the water and electric po. Kasi during the turnover, chine-check po yan, isa-isa.
I see.
Para at least pag turnover kay client, okay na yung bahay.
I see. So technically, more than a year siya
Yes po.
bago siya malipatan, no? But again, aside from the financing that we have, meron din pala tayong in-house, sir.
Yes
Tama.
po, the in-house financing. Actually, the in-house financing, that's a 16% interest tayo dyan per annum and a maximum of 7 years po.
And as well as deferred rather, meron deferred.
Yes
no?
po. The cash payment, sir.
O cash and deferred din.
Yes po.
Up to 12 months,
Months
zero interest.
Tayo,
No?
sir. So, at least, kung nakakatipid sila when it comes to interest, mas okay.
That's right. So, ayan, comment down below kung anong mas nagustuhan nyo, Alexandra ba or Miranda, before we move forward sa mga 3 bedrooms natin, no?
Yes.
Na mas affordable din. No? So, let's go. So, as we move forward din sa mga affordable din pa din, no, sir, na mga 3 bedrooms natin, no? So, we have the Olivia. So, 3 bedroom siya and with the same, mas maliit lang ng konti, 182 square meter of lot area and 151 more or less na floor area. So, ganito yung exterior niya, no,
Yes,
sir?
this is a 2 carport tayo, sir.
2 carport pa din.
Meron siyang counterpart na 1 carport po. So, na kay client. Pero majority of our client, ang kinukuha na nila is the 2 carport.
2 carport. Siyempre, if you really want to upgrade sooner or later,
Yes.
no, sir?
Para hindi na sila mahirapan.
Oo nga.
So,
Napaka-presko din pala dito sa Solana.
Ay, oo, sir. So, ito, sir, ito pa rin yung mga mini-maintain nating setback sa bahay. So, hindi kami pwedeng mag-over the policy kami na binibigay ni munisipyo na kailangan talaga is 1.5 meters tayo sa
So, you're strictly following the rules
Yeah.
na din ng municipality natin.
Yes, sir.
Tara, sir, pasok na din tayo. For the Olivia, sir,
Yan.
ganito yung itsura niya, no?
Para open plan siya for the living and the dining area.
Oo nga.
And then ito, sir, meron niyang lanay. So, yan. So, mas mahaba yung... Ayan, sir.
So, part of the property line, yung sinasabi
Yes,
nating 1.5.
Meters
Meters
na.
na.
Gawing lanay yan. So,
Lanay.
usually may
I
mga
see.
client na after the turnover, pinaparoof nila yan.
Oh, that's doable naman or
Yes po.
pwede yun. Sooner or later. Okay. But the thing here, since 3 bedrooms lang siya, dun sa dito sa ground floor, wala lang tayong room.
Yes,
No, sir.
So, ang dito is the kitchen, the living, and the dining. And also the common toilet and bathroom.
I see.
And then, on the kitchen, sir, same pa rin. Meron pa rin tayo isang stovetop and range hood. And also itong mga cabinets. Yan. So, for free na din po yan.
Tapos, I believe parang napansin ko, sliding door yata.
Yes, sir. This is the service area. So, at least, kung medyo may amoy yung linuluto, pwede na tayo dito. And meron na siyang laundry area.
I see. This is the laundry area.
And that's the back door, sir. So, ito pa rin yung remaining niyang property line na 1.5 meters.
I see.
So, for future extension, pwede nilang i-cater.
Ayan. Sige. So, let's move forward then to the second floor.
Yun, sir. So, si Olivia, ang sa mga kino-consider na may malaking rooms talaga, sir.
Na masters, sir?
Yes.
So,
And actually, even the other rooms.
So,
kung titignan mo, sir, ang laki ng kanyang master's bed.
oo nga. I believe this one is a king size.
Yes.
King size bed, no? Pwede ka din palang mag-tumbling-tumbling dito, sir.
Tapos meron din siyang sariling toilet.
Toilet and bathroom. I see. For the Olivia. Yeah.
Ito yung naman yung nagiging point of selling ni Olivia, sir. Yung malaking mga kwarto niya sa itaas. Since wala siyang family area, sir.
And also for the master's bedroom, meron din siyang
balcony.
And napansin ko, sir, parang malaki ng konti yung
Yes po, yung balcony
niya, no?
Palapad kasi siya, sir.
Oo nga. So, parang pansin ko dito sa Olivia, sir, meron siyang mini hallway dito na normally yung iba kasi like for the religious people, meron nilang altar. Ganyan.
Apo.
And of course dito, pang second bedroom ito.
Yes po. So parang L-type siya kung titignan mo, sir.
Oo nga, pa-L yung ano niya, yung shape ng second room niya. And lastly, but not the least, for the third bedroom, oo nga, sir, napansin ko talaga si Olivia offers bigger
space for
ng mga rooms. Dahil nga, tingnan nyo, ito, meron ng nakalagay na bed na may space pa.
Space for the cabinets, for the television, or whatsoever po.
Yes. And of course, hindi rin mawawala for the second floor, yung common toilet and bathroom niya. Dito naman siya.
Yan, sir.
For Solana Casareal and Solana Zaragoza, may bagong model unit tayo ngayon, which is the Rania. No, sir. So, ito yung parang nasa mid-range.
Yes, actually ito yung parang maliit na version ni Miranda. Sa 4 bedrooms po.
Okay. But with 1 or 2 carport?
Actually, it's a 1 carport na going to 2 carport siya. Parang nasa middle type. Kasi meron pa tayong
space. Okay. So, for this one, how many lot area to?
The lot area is nasa 182 square meters na pwede rin siya sa 156 square meters.
I see. And how about the floor, sir?
The floor area nasa 150 both. Up and down na siya.
Okay. Sige, sir. Tara, pasukin din natin. So, for the Rania, sir, if you will notice, sir, ano siya, wala din siya naka-dress up.
Yes.
Para at least makita ng mga clients kung gaano ka-spacious upon turnover.
Yes. So usually, the Rania, ito yung kanyang living area po. Together, it will be the dining area.
Okay.
So nakikilala na after the turnover, kung anong division yung gagawin.
But one thing I have noticed for Rania, sir, meron siya bedroom sa ilalim.
Yes po. Actually, kung titignan mo yung mga yung price niya, malapit lang siya kay Margot and Olivia. Pero ito, provided yung quarter na sa ilalim.
Kasi yung iba talaga mga clients, may naghahanap ng may kwarto sa ilalim. But for this one, para sa akin, gusto ko yung layout nito. Gusto ko yung layout din niya.
And also the kitchen, sir. Siyempre, usually talagang inclusion namin dyan with the stove top and the range. And bukod dyan, sir, meron tayong service area sa labas.
Sa labas, okay.
So, di ba kanina, sir, sabi ko, pwede sira niya sa 156 and also 182. Pag 182, titignan mo yung spaces. Yung post there will be the property line. So, malaki pa din siya sa
Yan, ganda pala. Ganda lang. Kaya, kumbaga, si Rania is already an improved and better version ng mga other units din.
Yes.
So, again, for Solana talaga, you have a lot of options ng mga model unit. Depende sa preference and design or na gusto ng mga client. For this one, meron din siya
sliding. Usually, 1.5 meters na setback natin.
Okay, tara, let's go sa So when it comes sa Rania naman, sir, magkano naman to, sir?
So si Rania nasa around 6.4 to 6.5 siya. So mapapansin mo, hindi naman malayo yung pricing niya when it comes to Olivia and the
Marigold. So, pero it comes with 4 bedrooms niya. So again, pili na lang kayo, no? Because for the last one na i-feature natin is the Bungalow, which is the Luis model. Tara, puntahan natin. For Solana Zaragoza, you have the option naman na bungalow. Kasi some of the clients that we have, gusto is bungalow lang. No, sir? And we have naman na Luis model with how many floor area, sir?
That's
and
110 square meter for the floor area. And yung lot area niya is 182. So kasing laki siya ng mga Miranda, mga Alexandra.
Okay. And for this one, 2 carport din siya, no,
Yes
sir?
po, 2 carport tayo dyan. And just to take note, sir, nakasagad na tayo sa property line dito.
Oh.
But on the other side, meron tayong 1.5 meters na setback.
Okay. Tapos sa harap, pwede ka pa din talaga
Yes.
mag-garden. So, sa mga gusto talaga na bungalow, so, na ayaw na nila talaga ng akyat baba, so, this one is really perfect. Tara po, pasokin natin. Ayan. So, this will be the layout of the Luis model.
So, this is the living and the dining
no,
area.
sir.
So, malaki pa din siya kahit pinagsama pa din.
I see.
And on the other side will be the kitchen, sir. So, ito, sir, just to take note, movable to, sir.
Oh, movable.
Wala kay client kung gusto niya alisin or
oo.
other design will provide sa kanya.
Okay. So, parang island, gano'n.
Yes.
Pwede niyang gawing island, no?
And you can put your refrigerator. Actually, meron na tayong outlet for the refrigerator here. And on the kitchen, as always, dito, sir, ang free niya will be the cabinet and the stovetop tayo dito, sir.
Oh, I see.
And, yes po. Yan, provided na yung ating service area.
Service area, okay. Naka, na din, kumbaga
Roof na,
nine,
yes.
all, hindi siya, lang, open.
Open, sir. Tapos meron tayong door dyan. If galing ka ng carport, galing ka ng market, para at least di ka pupunta
diretso na sila, no?
Diretso na sila dito.
Oo nga.
And on the back part, meron tayo dito, sir. Meron pa tayong space for laundry, for grilling, or kung ano gustong gawin ni client.
Oo
Dito,
nga.
sir.
Maluwag pa din, sir.
Yes po. Actually, on the other side, na tayo dyan, sir. Naka-firewall. Pero dito, open tayo dyan.
I see.
Since kasi hindi namin na-allowed na magsampay sa harapan ng bahay. So, we provide some spaces kung saan sila pwedeng maghang ng mga laundry nila.
Oh, I see. And of course, since this one is just a bungalow, for the ground floor niya, ayan, it comes with the, 3 bedrooms.
And 2 toilet and
2
bath.
toilet and bathroom.
So, it means the master's bedroom pa din, sir. Ito yung master's bedroom. Sir.
This one. Yung
Meron na
unang-
siyang sariling toilet and bath. Sir.
Oh,
Yan. So, at least, kung medyo yung mga matatanda, hindi na sila lumalabas pa.
so if you're retiree or mga sir, ayaw na talagang umakyat sa taas, this is Luis will be perfect for you.
Yes. Tsaka hindi malaki yung linilinisan na
Oo
bahay.
nga.
At least sa ilalim na lang sila.
Oo nga.
So, these are the rooms. So, malaki pa din naman sa...
For the second room.
Yes po.
And for the third bedroom, ito
And the
na.
last room, ayan, sir. So, provided na rin yung mga outlet ng aircon dito. So, may mga windows na din every room tayo.
And you have also your common toilet and bathroom dito sa likod na siya.
Yes, sir. So, nakasagad na tayo dyan on the firewall. On the back part of the house.
Sa most exciting part, sir, sa pricing. So, how much would be the Luis?
The Luis.
As of today's video recording, no?
Yes. So, right now, we offer Luis with a price of 5.4 million pesos. So, say, 20% will be the down payment. The reservation fee is 50,000. And then the down payment payable siya na 6 to 8 months po.
Oh.
And then they can be loaned again through in-house, bank, and Pag-ibig Finance.
So that's why you have to feel free to message us para mapakita din namin yung mga available inventory, kung
Yes.
saan yung orientation. Kasi yung iba, they want to have like mga morning sun. Tapos kasi yung mga iba naming lots or mga units, iba din yung mga lot area din.
Yes.
So that's why we have to be specific kapag mag-site or magre-reserve na tayo.
Yes.
Diba, sir?
So, mas maganda pa rin nag-actual view.
Yes. And yun nga, I hope this virtual tour will help you kung anong mapipili nyo among all the 6, no sir? 6
Model house.
model units natin. And yun nga, ayan, feel free again to message us for more information with this project. We're more than happy to help. So for Solana, sir, may mga na tayo dito, mga amenities
Yes.
that our homeowners can enjoy. So actually ang laki ng events place nyo, no? This is the events place, no? Anong tawag dito, sir?
We call this as the Hardin Solana.
Hardin Solana.
So, bukod kasi dito, we have the chapel.
Chapel,
the
okay.
Hardin Solana, and the Sun and Moon Events place po.
Kasi for sa Pampanga, actually parang konti or wala man yatang nag-offer ng merong sariling own chapel.
Yes po.
Or konti lang, no, sir, na nag-offer ng ganong part of the amenities, no, sir. So, ayan, for this event place, no, ang laki din pala niya, no, sir.
Yes po. Actually, it can cater up to 250 guests.
Oh.
So, parang nagiging ano na din na siya, point of selling ni Casa Real. Dahil sa mga future homeowners natin, pag may mga events sila, they can rent the Sun and Moon events place.
For the wedding, birthdays, or any occasions that you may have, yan, you
Yes.
could use this one, no? Tara, silipin lang din natin sa loob. So, ganito laki, no, sir, sa loob. Ayan.
This is the main hall actually, sir.
And I believe dito naganap yung Brokers Award
Brokers
natin, no? Ayan.
Actually, pag ni-rent nila to, sir, included na din yung ating live wall. So, hindi na siya separate payment. So, ipapackage na din siya, sir.
I see. So, kumbaga, as in, ready to go na.
Yes.
No?
So, parang wala na din po problema yung mga future homeowners natin.
Oo nga.
Pag may mga big event na sila.
Yes, ayun. So, again, we're so excited for you to be part dito sa Solana community, no?
Yes.
And that's why we're more than happy to welcome you dito, no? Sir, may napili na kaya yung mga future homeowners natin dito sa Solana, no? It may either be sa Solana Zaragoza or dito sa Solana Casa Real. So, again, kapag may napili na kayo, feel free to shoot us a message with this number below and to get a more comprehensive discussion and for a free ocular visit sa site for you to appreciate more yung mga model units namin. So, again, I am Alan Marquez, your licensed real estate broker and licensed real estate appraiser of A. Marquez Realty here at Virtual House Tour. So, see you soon on our reservation. Bye for now!